Hey you guys, it is Arden and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a haul, an international haul, because my sister just got back from Dubai and she got me a bunch of stuff, but I want to show it to you guys and I'm super excited. Like, I've seen everything upar se, like I've not opened anything because I wanted to do a video. So yeah, I have all the things here. I want to show all of the things she got me. So yeah, this is just gonna be a chill video where I just flex new things that I own now. So without wasting time, let's get into it. Okay, so number one thing she got me is this set of rubber band. Now the color combination is so cute. Like, I run out of hairbands every time. No matter you give me 100 hairbands in the morning, in the evening there will be only two left because I keep losing them. And the fact that she got me a pair with like all of the colors and like it's super cute. I really like it. It's so vibrant and nice. Look at that color combination, like the way it looks, pretty cute. Next up we have this underarm roll on. Now I have the same one in a different variant that's white. This is Pearl and Beauty Katia Klembut. Can't take Pearl, whatever. Pearl and Beauty. I don't know how this smells. The one that I have smells really, oh, this smells like perfume in a powder. Those powder, this gives me grandmother smell. I don't know why. But one thing I love, the Nivea roll-on deodorants. Like, the odor, your armpits do not smell bad at all. Like, there is odor control for quite a long time. So if you guys are suffering with, like body odor, you can actually opt for the Nivea roll-on because this works really well. Next up, I have this pretty cute pink bag. Now this is supposed to be a makeup bag and look at it. It's in pink. It has like pretty nice gold detailing. Look at the shine. And here when it comes to the zipper, it's in like rainbow colors. So it just goes like yellow, white, pink, white, green, and so on. How cute is that? And it also has a handle, so I can just like, this is so cute. And inside this, we also have a lot of things inside this. So let's open it up. This bag right here also has a mirror, so you can just like check on yourself when you're doing makeup and all of that. And then moving on, we have this perfume right here. It is from Bath and Body Works. Now I told her, like, she knows I love Bath and Body Works, and she asked me if I wanted things from there, and I wouldn't say no. Like, I wouldn't say no to that. So she got me this. It is, I think it's in the variant Beach Coconut. I own only one Bath and Body Works product, and that's the big perfume that I always have. This is my second bottle. It is in the variant Beach Coconut. I figured it out seeing the packaging. It has like coconuts all around. Let's see how it's. Oh, it smells so sweet. It has like a hint of coconut to it. It really smells so cute, like so sweet. And I smell all coconut. I love the smell of this. This is so nice. See, this is why I wanted to do this video like this, because I can actually genuinely give my first impressions. It's so nice. Next up, we have an eyeliner. I do not have eyeliner. Now this eyeliner, however, is like in the silver shade. I'm just gonna swatch it right here. So this is what it looks like. Should I just apply it? Wait 1 second. I think I'm gonna apply this eyeliner right now. I have my mirror here. It's been like, I do not have any touch of wearing eyeliner. I'm just gonna do a small wing. It is not that pigmented, thank God, because otherwise I would end up like ruining my entire makeup. But it still gives that like shuttle sign, if you can see here. I can just apply it whenever I'm doing like those glam makeup looks. It will really look nice and like make my eyes stand out with all of that shine. Next up we have a Pure Romance Pink and Sweet fragrance body lotion. Now I have never ever tried a fragrance perfume lotion on my body. This is the first time. This is the one that we have. Let's open it. Okay, it has a seal I need to break. There is a little bit of product. I'm not going to waste it. I don't even want to use it. It smells like a cotton candy. I'm gonna apply it on my body. I don't think I've ever smelled this good in life because I have like all nice things on right now. And the smell of this is literally so good. I think I will just sniff myself all day because I literally smell so nice. It also gives hydration, like after applying this body lotion, it has like a shine. It is also super moisturizing, so that is also nice about it, that it not only gives you that fragrance, but it also makes sure that your skin is moisturized. Next we have another Bath and Body Work product, and it is a body scrub. It is in the variant Butterfly. I have never ever seen this, like I don't know, I've never owned any Bath and Body products. This is my first ever Bath and Body Work body scrub, and let me see what it smells like. I'm not gonna put it on. Shut up. This smell This smells so good. This literally smells so nice. Like, this is my absolute favorite smell. Like, I cannot stop sniffing. This is so nice. I do not know anything about the Bath and Body Works products because I've not used them. But now that I have one, I will make sure like I give a review for this one because this looks really promising and it smells divine. I mean it when I say it. Last but not the least, we have this perfume. Now it is in the variant Sweet Crush. I've not opened it yet. It's whatever suitcase you see, just ignore it. I just got back from a trip. I do not have the time to keep everything back in place. And our perfume is right here. I really love how it's like a white bottle, but when you tilt it, it has like this yellow color to it. I think the perfume is yellow. I don't know. Look at it. It's so freaking cute. Let's see how it smells. Okay, like when you apply this, people will know that this is from another country because it smells that way, like it has that particular smell. But in general, I did not like this fragrance that much, but it does make you feel fresh. It will make people realize that you're wearing a perfume that's from another country because it does have that smell. However, I did not like the smell of it, but I'll still use it because I don't have to complain. I would never get these products if she didn't get it for me. So, yeah. Now, these were all the things that she got me, but she also got me something specifically for my YouTube, and that is this Viral Dubai chocolate. Now, spoiler is I've finished half of this chocolate. Like, I just couldn't stop eating it, and we have a very tiny bit left. So, I'm just gonna eat a bite with you guys in case you've not seen the shot. We have a little bit of chocolate remaining, and my stomach, I ate this so much that my stomach started hurting, but I still couldn't stop eating it. So this is what chocolate looks like. You have the pistachio layer in between, and then there's chocolate surrounding. It does taste better when it's melted, like room temperature. When it's frozen, it's a little bit odd to taste, but I still like it. But I still don't understand the hype, because I didn't feel like it was that good, like how people hype it. It's definitely not that good, but it is really good. I'm just telling, the hype is way too much for the taste. It does taste good, I'm not denying it, but the hype, I don't think it was necessary. I told you guys, once I eat this, I can't stop. Next up, we have this particular lip balm that she got me. Now, this from Labello. It has a pink tint and it is in the watermelon variant. This is what it looks like. Let's see the tint. I'm not gonna apply it on my lips, but I will apply it on my hands and see the tint. Okay, it does have a pink tint. I don't know if it's visible on the camera. And smells just like a fresh strawberry juice. So I'm very excited to try this. I think I'll try this tomorrow because now I already have lipstick on. I don't want to mess it up. Yeah. Okay, you guys, with that being said, these are all the things that she got me, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick haul. So yeah, these are all the new products that I'll be using anymore and like flexing because she got it for me. So I hope you guys like the video, and I will meet you guys in the next one. Bye.